Hello machinist! Today we are at the open house of Nakamatome. We are going to visit an assembly factory here. We'll show you the new Maggie factory on our YouTube channel. This is our assembly line. After machining is complete, the parts flow into the assembly line. The parts are assembled into a spindle or index unit. Then after the unit assembles, the main unit are assembled. It means we put this unit on machine beds and make accurate machines. Then we go to the pipework process, the trial run process, the cover attaching process, and the inspection process. This is the overflow. I would like to introduce a part of this process. Let's go! I'm in a large assembly plant right now, and the concept is that these three plants were combined into a single plant. We call the new factory Maggie. Maggie means magically combine the process by using multitasking machine, and we'll cut the burden manufacturing. One more reason, the three factories joined force used our brain, our bodies, and our mind to make great machines. And we fully use IT and IoT at this factory. It means smarter way. They will challenge to build a new manufacturing way by our old technology. We call the Maggie with these two meanings. We are bringing all the assembly process that were previously scattered, and all the assembly process will be done in one place. This is a very important concept. This is the far end. This is where the assembly process takes place. This is the main assembly and piping area. This area of main body assembly and piping. Index unit, spindle unit are attached to the bed. In this way, the machine is progressively completed. After this process, inspection and shipment, what used to be scattered all over the place is now gathered in one place, straight through line. So it's all in one place. All the unit will be stocked. Main spindle unit or index unit used to be made after receiving an order. Now we can start assembly the main unit immediately with the unit in stock. We store the unit in the stacker in automatic warehouse like this. From there, when we receive the order, we can start the main unit assembly. This done to shorten the lead time. This is a large assembly area. This is an ATC type multitasking machine which increased these days. This area will be charged of assembly parts for tool spindle machine. Now let's go this way. Right now this factory is only just completed. More equipment will be coming in from here. On this second floor, this unit assembly area. This is where we make complete unit. Here we are basically in charge of index unit and the slide unit. We make the complete unit here and then we put them in the stacker which connect the second floor to the first floor. It also acts as elevator. If we pull out the unit on the first floor, we can unload the one made on the second floor into the first floor. So it's a system that allows things to flow smoothly. It will explain the change in this production system. Until now, units were made and then placed on the machine. Units are placed on this bed, are completed, and these units used to be divided into various units. These units are then combined and completed as individual units, and then they are run through a trial run to create a complete unit. The final goal is minimize the accuracy adjustment process as much as possible. This is the bed, attach the unit to the bed, put the spindle unit on the bed, the index unit is mounted on the bed. We call this assembly of main unit. The unit assembly in the process of unit assembly. Until now, some units were in pieces. There are several separate units. However, we are going to combine them. And then, after running them through a trial run as individual units, we put them on the assembly line. This way, we can minimize the need for precision adjustment and shorten the lead time. For a model, 3 days to 1 day for the main unit assembly. The lead time of 25 days is now 15 days. Of course, it's not just this kind of trial. We are doing a trial run at night. We are trying to automate the process The combination of various people's idea and wisdom led to this result. And this is one of the charm of Smagi. If you take a look at this, you also put a lot of effort into the rest area to show the machining is cool. We have gathered all our cool machining here. It's a piece of art. This is a place where the member can relax. They can relax and concentrate on their work again. This is a kind of break room we are aiming for.
Here, I'd like to introduce the Kisage, an indispensable part of our product line. Kisage is a metal scraping tool invented in England around 18th century. It's a tool to sharpen by pushing. The cutting edge is made of HSS or carbide. The purpose of scraping is to create high pressure planes and size that cannot be obtained by machining.
Nakamura Tome have the boxway slide machines. As for this boxway slide, the purpose of Kisage is a little different, isn't it?
Yes, that's right. The other purpose of Kisage is to form the wedge-shaped oil pocket with a minute pattern and uneven texture of the sliding pads. The oil lubricates the slide moderately from there and create a flat surface that allows smooth movement.
It looks like there are various shapes of tools. Are there different tools used by different people?
So this is a job that is done people. We customize the tool according to each person's need.
What's the trick of Kisage?
It's the same as in sports, but you have to use your body smoothly.
Using the whole body to create rhythm. This is exactly the work of using the five senses. What can be formalized in this process should be standardized and shared. Other things are learned by experiencing them together in the technical skill dojo. Everyone likes the sound of dojo, don't you? It's very cool to be able to Kisage, isn't it? Thank you very much. Yes, everyone. How was the Magi and assembly plant? If you want to see the real thing, please come to Japan if you have a chance. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and give us a high rating. So see you, machinist. Bye.